So, how you all? Hope you are all doing well. Good evening. Is sound clear? Sound is clear, right? Good evening, everyone. So let's start. Okay. So first question on dividing polynomial p of x by x square minus 4. So this is about actually division, but uh, long division method and all is not there. Still, like the question is asked in a different way. So I think you should study this question. So I am taking this here. Quotient and remainder. Quotient and remainder are found to be x and 3 respectively. Are found to be x and 3 respectively. Okay, so they are asking you to write what is the polynomial. So you need to find out what is this polynomial. Okay, you all know that Euclid's division lemma is there, so we are going to make use of that only. So according to that, the polynomial will always be given by bq plus r. Bq plus r is, so I can write divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula, so I am writing it in detail. In your textbook, it is given as a equal to bq plus r, like this maybe. Okay, so we need this polynomial. We are just going to write all these things and get the polynomial. So what is our divisor in this question? X square minus 4 is our divisor. Then what is our quotient in this given? X is our quotient and plus our remainder is 3. So here it is given, right? Quotient and remainder are found to be x and 3. So this is quotient and this is our remainder. This is our divisor. Okay, so from here you can just multiply these two. It will be x cube minus 4x plus 3. That is your polynomial p of x. So it's not about division and all. So I felt like division concept is removed, but I felt like there might be such questions. So I'm just showing you this x cube minus 4x plus 3. Correct. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain small step. Okay, let's take second question. If the triangle is given like this, there is a triangle given to you which is isosceles right angle triangle, then you have ABC marked like this. If this is the triangle right angled at C, this is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides will be equal, and it is right angled at C. You can see 90-degree mark is at C, right angled at C. Then which of the following results will be true, they are asking. So first is AB square equal to 2AC square. Second is BC square equal to 2AB square. And third result is AC square equal to 2AB square. And the fourth result, AB square 4AC square. AB square 4AC square. So which among the following result is true for this triangle? So if you see every result given here, absolutely this is Pythagoras theorem only. So you just need to apply Pythagoras theorem to this given triangle. So we all know Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. You just apply this. So here your hypotenuse is AB. So AB square equal to your base can be anything now, BC or AC, anything. So you can take anything here, no problem. I will write AC square, then I will write BC square. Okay, but since it is isosceles triangle, these two will be same now. AC square and this BC square also be written as what AC square only, because this is isosceles triangle, right? That means what? BC is equal to AC. This you need to keep in your mind. So what is happening then? 2AC square, and here we have our AB square. So check if this result is here. Yes, it is here. So that's the right option to choose, this one. AB square equal to 2AC square. Correct. If you would have selected this as a BC square, then you see you would have ended up with AB square equal to 2BC square. Suppose like if you would have replaced here BC, then it would have been this. But you check, this result is not present here. Okay, even though this is correct, but this option is not given, so we cannot take this. Correct. Yes, many of you are answering very good. So both the questions are clear now. We'll take next now. The value of k for quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 2 equal to 0, having equal roots. So see, only equal roots will be given to you people. It's very easy to answer. First of all, whenever these words, if you see like equal roots and all, you first need to think about discriminant. So here discriminant will come into picture, right? We have three conditions, right? D greater than 0, D less than 0, then D equal to 0. If it is equal roots, then only this thing will be applied. So right here D equal to 0. D means you should know B square minus 4AC equal to 0. Just identify what is A, what is B, what is C from here and put it there. So A is 2, B is K, and C is what? 2. Just compare with the standard form. So just accordingly we can just put here 4 into 2 into 2 equal to 0. So how much is this? Is k square equal to 4 2s are 8, 16. So k will be equal to plus or minus 4. K will be equal to plus or minus 4. So now in the like if you write plus 4, or if you write only minus 4, then you may go wrong. Therefore don't forget to write plus or minus 4 like this. Don't write just 4, correct? If you write just 4, then it is just plus 4. So always whenever we have a square root of any perfect square, the answer will be with plus or minus. Right, just write plus or minus 4. Why you will take a chance? Okay, this was simple one. One question on finding the value of kp, like this having equal roots, will definitely come. So you need not you should be happy to solve. Okay. Now from AP, which of the following is not AP? Which of the following is not AP? Is not AP. Which of the following is not AP is the question. So what is the concept behind this? The concept behind this is the common difference. Correct? Common difference should not be equal. Not equal. Like while finding common difference, if you get anywhere that the common difference is not being equal, then straight away you can identify that is not a AP. That's the concept behind this. So now say for example 4 by 3 is given to you, then 7 by 3 is given to you, 9 by 3 is given to you, then 12 by 3 is given to you. Other than this, there are 3 more options given. Why I took this? Because I just want to show you the concept behind this. So you know this is our term 1, this is our term 2, then this is our term 3, then this is our term 4. You can also name it as A1, A2, A3 like this also. Maybe if you want, no problem, anything. So now common difference, like I will find out D1 means first common difference will be between these two. Term 2 minus term 1. So term 2 is 7 by 3 minus term 1 is 4 by 3. So this is giving me 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. Likewise, I will find out D2, which will be between A3 and A2. A3 minus A2. So my A3 is 9 by 3 and my A2 is 7 by 3. You can find out here you are getting 2 by 3. So just stop here, no need to go ahead and do it, because here only you got to know 1 is not equal to 2 by 3. Simple. That means this was the sequence among the given which is not an AP. Which is not an AP. I will show you one more by taking one more as example. Say for example, if this sequence is given, let's check whether this is AP or not. Minus 1 by 5 comma minus 2 by 5 and comma minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Let's check this now. So we have our A1 and this is our A2 and this this is our a3. Three terms are there. Let me find out the first difference, d1. d1 will be between a2 and a1. d1 will be between a2 and a1, correct. So what is our a2? Minus 2 by 5. And what is my a1? Minus 1 by 5. But don't forget to write this minus extra. Look at this minus. This minus is there extra. Both the numbers are negative. I wrote the numbers first. Both negative numbers I wrote. Now I will write that extra minus which is there in the formula. This minus I will write here. Correct. So now what will happen? You can see now this is minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. This is now. How you got a plus? You know. Now this minus and this minus will get multiplied. So what will happen now? Minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 will be minus 1 by 5. Minus 2 plus 1. These are like fractions, right? Look at the denominator, like fractions. Directly you can look at the numerator. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 and denominator will remain same, whatever it was that. Let's see d2 now. d2 means between a3 and a2, correct. So what is my a3? Minus 3 by 5 minus what is my a2? Minus 2 by 5. Look at this also. This is minus 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5. So which is again minus 1 by 5. Look at the common difference, both are same. That means this is AP. This sequence is a AP. This sequence is not an AP. The first one what we did, because the common difference were not matching. They were not equal. This is the concept. Got it? So remember, this type of questions will also be asked. Let's take next one. Okay, the pair of linear equations are, this is from linear equations. Pair of linear equations are option given: consistent, not consistent, then consistent with one solution, then consistent with many solution, okay. So what are the equations given to you? 3x by 2 plus 5y by 3 equal to 7. This is one equation. And another equation is 9x plus 10y equal to 14. These are the two equations given. Now we have three conditions, correct? Like wherein we will check whether a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then c1 by c2, all these things. So you can see here now, first thing, like here if you see 3 by 2 and 5 by 3, this first equation. Then second equation also, we can write it like, let's write this properly. Let it look like this, okay. So cross multiply here, 3 3s are 9x and this will become 10y, and divided by 6 equal to 7. Cross multiplication I did. So this will become 9x plus 10y equal to 42. And another equation I have here, this one, which is I will write here 9x plus 10y equal to 14. Okay. Now these two are in a standard form. So let's see a1 by a2, 9 by 9. Then b1 by b2 also 10 by 10. But look at the third thing, which is 42 by 14. 42 by 14. This will give you 3. This is giving you 1 1. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. That's the condition satisfying. So if this is the condition, like a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2, then parallel lines, these two are parallel lines. If they are parallel lines, then they will not have a common solution. They will not have common solution. Means because parallel lines, they won't meet anywhere, so they will not be. Then you can of coefficient, they are equal. So you can select option B here. They are not consistent. Parallel lines will not be consistent. So you can also write this as inconsistent. Sometimes they will give inconsistent word also. So not consistent or inconsistent. Like this you can do this. No solution, option C. Okay, option C, who is saying? No, option B is the right answer. They are not consistent because they are parallel lines. Means they do not have a common solution. If they don't have common solution, then they do not have common solution. Do not have. If they do not have common solution, then they are called as inconsistent. They are inconsistent. If they have common solution, then we call them consistent. Okay, so the answer was between A and B only. It was not about these two anyway. So among A and B, B is the right option. Clear? If you haven't come across such things, then please remember such questions are very very important. From linear equation, definitely there will be one question on consistency, inconsistency, or many solution, no solution, one solution, these things. Okay, let's go ahead and take up one more different type of questions. I'm just selecting. Okay, here there is a question now. Let's solve this. There is a figure and we have a circle here. Okay, one triangle is made inside this one, which is 100 degree here. It is 100, 100. This is a tangent PBQ, and here we have A and this is our O. Okay, this is the figure. Center at the point AOB is 100. AOB is equal to 100 degree, clearly seen in the figure. Then we need to find out ABP. We need to find out ABP. ABP is a question mark here. So first mark your triangle ABP where it is, then start doing it. ABP means, okay, this triangle angle they are asking about here, okay, which is outside the triangle only. A, B and P, this one. Okay, this. So what concept we will use? Simple. See, first of all, this triangle is inside the circle, correct? So now radius will be equal, so I will write OA equal to OB because these are radii. Just listen carefully first, line by line. OA equal to OB, they are what? Radii. Okay, I am going to prove something, then we'll get the angle ABP. Actually ABP is a external angle. It is acting like a external angle to the triangle. Okay, OA equal to OB. If these two sides are equal, means now see, these are equal, right? These are equal, these are correct. That means this OA is equal to OB here. That means this is isosceles triangle. If that is the case, then we know that the angles opposite to these equal sides will be always what? Same. That means I can write this angle as also x and this angle is also x. Like wherein I have marked using a green color, no, those two are x. So which are those two angles? OAB is equal to OBA. Why these are equal I am writing? Because these are the opposite angles of equal sides. These are the opposite angles of equal sides. So now in triangle we know that three angles, sum of three angles will be equal to what? Sum of three angles is always equal to what? 180 degree, angle sum property. So first angle is x, second angle is also x, third angle is 100. I am talking about the triangle AOB. So AOB is the triangle I am considering. Equal to what? 180. That means 2x is equal to what? 180 minus 100. So 2x will be what? 80. Then x will be what? 40 degree. So you got x equal to 40. Now just imagine if this is 40. Look at that triangle. I will write here properly. O, A and B. And the line has gone like this. The line has gone like this. We have to find out this angle. Which angle? ABP. This one. If this is 40, I got this 40 here, this also 40, and this is my 100. If this is 40, then how much is this? That's the simple question. Okay. And one more thing, here wherever the tangent and the radii meet, say for example this is tangent, right, and this is the radius. When they meet, they make 90 degree. Means this 40 and this side, including it is what? 90 degree. So out of 90, if this is 40, then remaining will be what? 50 degree. 50 degree is remaining. Correct. 50 is remaining because this whole angle is what? 90 degree. So I will write here if you want. What is this angle? Angle ABP plus angle OBA is equal to 90. So angle ABP we want plus OBA is how much? 40 degree is equal to 90. Then angle ABP will be 90 minus 40, which is 50 degree. Hope this is clear. Yes, 50, correct. So this type of questions you need to work more. I know whenever you get such questions, your confidence goes down little. But no need to worry, just practice and apply whatever knowledge you have, whatever you have learnt. Look at them whenever tangent and all is given. Always remember radius and tangent will make 90 degree. Then also remember angle sum property of a triangle. All these basic things you start using, then you will definitely end up with the answer. Okay. Next we'll take the radius of sphere. This is from volume surface area. Radius of sphere in centimeter. Radius of sphere in centimeter whose volume is okay, just radius of sphere in centimeter whose volume is whose volume is 12 pi centimeter cube. So volume is given 12 pi, and this is the volume of sphere. So first of all, write formula for volume of sphere. What is volume of sphere given by? Volume of sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now this side is given, right? Volume of sphere is given 12 pi. So write 12 pi here and keep 4 by 3 pi r cube as it is on right side. You can see right side and left side, both the places you have pi pi, this will get cancelled. You can cancel whenever you have two things, left and right, same things, same will get cancelled. Left and right they should be okay, and they also should be in a line, like if it is pi like this side also pi, it should be like this. If you have something like this, 1 by pi this side and pi this side, you can't cancel like this, not possible. They should be in line. If it is like this, you can cancel again pi pi, this complete thing will go actually, one will also go. So it should be like face to face. That's very good word to say, face to face. Then I cancel. Okay, now I will shift 4 by 3 from right to left. So 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. Simple. It just get reversed when it is shifted. So now what is this? 9 equal to r cube. So what we have to find out? Radius only, right? So r cube is 9, no? 4 3s are 3 3s are 9. Yes. So what will happen to r now? R will be cube root of 9. R will be cube root of 9. If it is r square, then if it is r square equal to 9, then you would have written r as plus or minus 3. Then you would have taken plus 3 as the right answer, because radius cannot be negative. Okay, but it is not r square, right? It is r cube. So you can simply write cube root of 9, because 9 is not a perfect cube. 9 is not perfect cube. Like this you can just write it off, I think. Yeah, fine. That's the radius of the sphere. Okay, this was simple question. So we wrote the volume of sphere formula. Then they have given 12 pi. I cancelled pi pi, just shifted 4 by 3 this side, which gave me 3 by 4. Then again I cancelled 4 1s are 4 3s are, I got 3 3s are 9. So r cube is 9, therefore r will be cube root of 9. Very simple. Okay, next question. Distance between points, distance between points okay, Amruta, no need to write in decimal and all, you can just leave it as cube root of 9 and all, no problem. Suppose if it is a multiple choice question and all, then you will have options. That time you need to identify the right option. But if they are asking you directly find the radius and all, then just cube root of 9 and all, you can stop. No need to get into this decimal, all these things. Distance between the points m comma minus n and minus m comma n is, so they are asking you to find out the distance between these two points m comma minus n minus m comma n. So you know distance formula, you need to use that only here to find the distance between these two points. You can take this point as a and this as b, so you can simply write ab equal to, write the distance formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Once you write this, then just put those x1 x2 all those in proper place, x1 y1, this is x2 y2, correct. So your x2 is minus m, then your x1 is m, minus m whole square, this will be y2 n plus n whole square. So how I got plus, you people know now how I got this plus. So how I got this plus, see here you have y2 minus y1, right? So your y2 is n from here, n, then minus, and your y1 is minus n, see there, so minus n, so this becomes n plus n, okay, then whole square it is that. So you have minus 2m whole square plus 2n whole square. Now when you square the negative term, here negative term is there, no, when you square that, that becomes plus. So 4m square, this is 4n square. Now you can take 4 common, okay, so 4 common, you will get m square plus n square. So you have two things now, root 4 and root m square plus n square. So can I write root 4 as 2? Yes, I can write. So 2 into m square plus n square is the right answer. This is completely simplified answer. 2 into root of m square plus n square. So be careful about those minus sign and how things will become uh, how things will become positive, negative, all this. Okay, uh, Jivita is asking, sir, but how to find out cube root? Okay, see, if it is a perfect cube number, then you will not have any problem in identifying the cube root of it. Okay, suppose if they give you non-perfect cube, then you can just keep it as it is, and 99% they won't give non-perfect cube. Now in this question 9 came, right? So I, did you see, I just kept it as cube root of 9 only. I did not take I did not start fighting with it. Just keep it as it is, so you don't get such numbers. If you get, just keep it as it is, no need to worry. Okay, you will get perfect cubes only most of the time. If you are not getting, if you get something like this, just leave it, don't worry, you will get marks, don't worry. Okay, so this question was easy again, but it was very good question. Hope you understood, right? Yes, we'll go to the next. Let's take next one. Mm, let's take this question. This is very good. Again there is a circle and two tangents are drawn from external point like this. Just bear with the figure, please, don't mind. So here we have a external point P, okay, and this is point Q. Here we have point R. And the radius is given from here to here, it is 4 centimeter. Yes, 4 centimeter radius is given. That's it. This much figure they have given, and they are asking you question like this. Two tangents PQ and PR. Two tangents PQ and PR are drawn. Okay, two tangents PQ are in given figure. In figure you can write. In figure, PQ and PR are drawn. These are the tangents drawn to a circle of radius 4 centimeter. To circle of radius 4 centimeter. Okay, this we can see in the figure. There are two tangents and a circle is there. Okay, question comes now. If angle PQR is 90, angle QPR is 90, if angle QPR is 90, then length of PQ, they are not asking you the other angle, they are asking you then length of PQ. Length of PQ they are asking. So length of PQ is question. How will you deal with such questions? So see, this is our O, right? Center. If I construct like, let me make it a triangle. Okay, so suppose PQ is one side, then OQ is another side. Then if I draw one line like this from here to here, this, the upper one becomes one triangle. So we can do the lower part also. Where is our PQ? Our PQ is here. So I just need this triangle enough for me. I don't want anything else. Now I won't come to this lower part and all, because I don't want this, because I want PQ. So I'll just, now one thing you have to remember here, when you have constructed this dotted line, wherever it is touching here, right, actually whenever here two tangents meet, they make 90 degree. This is 90 degree actually. How much it is? 90. But this dotted line bisects this angle. That means upper side will have 45 and lower side will have 45. That means you got this angle which is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Yes, 4 centimeter. Okay. So Harshita and Jivita both are saying it is 4 centimeter. Let's see. Okay, now understand the concept, right? So this triangle is being built because I had my PQ here. Then angle was found out. The 90 was broken into two halves, 45, 45. Got it? So now see, this side is how much? 4 centimeter. One side is given to us, which is 4 centimeter. So simply now what will happen? If this is 45 and we know this is how much? This is 90 degree here. This angle is 90 degree because radius and tangent are meeting here. So this is 90 and here we have 45. So remaining third angle will also be what? 45 degree. This angle. So if you want, I'll write the triangle once again. P, Q, O. So this is 90, this is 45, this is 90. So how much this will also be? 45. Now you can see two angles are same and this side is given 4 centimeter, correct? So you can see this is 45 and this is also 45. To this opposite side I have is 4 centimeter, therefore this will also be how much? 4 centimeter, because we know that, right? Equal opposite sides of equal angles are again what? Equal. This concept we used. Very simple. So no need to bother. Just focus on the triangle what you need. Then find out the angles. Then just you can give this reason and write even the other PQ. That PQ is also equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. This was simple one. Next take one more. The probability of an event that is sure to happen. Probability of an event that is sure to happen, okay, put the answer in chat box immediately. Correct. 1 is the answer. Sure event. Okay. Sure event will have probability always 1. Okay, next question. Simplest form of 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. Simplest form of 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. Come on, now tell me. Simplest form means simplify this. That's the meaning. Let's see who will answer first. Come on, let's see. Simplify this. If you know the identities, then you will immediately do. You need to just write what is 1 plus tan square A and what is 1 plus cot square A. Then further you need to just simplify. Then last step you will get. So step 1, step 2, step 3 will be your answer. Tan square A. Okay. Secant square. Jivita, what is secant square A by cosecant square A? So here you will write secant square A then here you will write cosecant square a. Can I write secant square as 1 by cos square? Yes. Can I write cosecant as sine square by 1? Yes. So this is sine square a and here it is cos square a. Sine square by cos square is tan square a. Finish. So how secant square a divided by cosecant square a, right? So I will write secant square as 1 by cos square a. Up. Down I will write 1 by sine square a. Down. Now you know, if you have like this, then what you will do? You will keep the numerator as it is, then you will write multiplication sign and you will reverse what is down, sine square by 1. So this is your sine square a by cos square a, which is your tan square a. Got it, Jivita? Okay, so that's very simple. All concentric circles are all concentric circles are um, all concentric circles are dashed to each other. I think this is from first exercise of your circle chapter. In circle chapter you have first exercise, no? There you have fill-ups and all, I think. So from there this question is. All concentric circles are dashed to each other. So maybe you might have not seen that exercise properly, thinking this is just a dummy exercise. See, there question has come from that exercise also. So concentric circles are what? If you don't know also, you can just think. If you have not read also, you can just think. Concentric circles, they will have same center. Okay, so I will leave this to you people. If you have not read that exercise, open that and see the questions from there also. First exercise, I think it is from circle chapter. What's the time? 9:56. Okay, last question for today. Find the sum of first 100 natural numbers. Find the sum of first 100 natural numbers. Find the sum of first 100 natural numbers. Okay, answer me. Everyone do this and put an answer here in chat box. 1900. 5050 is the right answer. Just check if you have gone wrong. So first 100 natural numbers, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on 100. So some formula Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Jivita 1050. Okay, let's check. Here 100 are there, therefore this will become 50. 100 by 2, correct. Then this will be 2 into 1, and this is 49. Again the difference is 1. So 50 into 51. 50 into 51. uh, 50 into yes, this should be 99, correct. And 101. 50 into 101, because n is 100, right? 100 minus 1 will be 99, so here we will get 99. So is it 5050? Yes, 5050 is the right answer. Okay, let's take one more question. This was sent in Insta actually. I don't remember Lahari. Maybe she is there or not, I don't know in the class now. She has sent one question in Insta. Let's take that. Question is triangle ABC and triangle BDE are two equilateral triangles. Two equilateral triangles. Okay. Such that D is the midpoint of BC. Such that D is midpoint. D is midpoint of BC. Find a ratio of area of triangle ABC, and area triangle, the other one, BD, area triangle BD. This is the question. So first of all, see, let's take a triangle ABC first. So if this is ABC triangle, I will construct one more triangle inside this by drawing a parallel line to this side. So let me name this as BDE. Okay, so very simple, they are asking a ratio of this one over the bigger one. Okay, so first we need to find out area of ABC, area of triangle ABC. Then we need to find out area of triangle BDE. Okay, then just divide them. Area ABC divided by area BDE. This we need to do, we will get the ratio. So this is about BPT, right? So what will happen here? Area of BD by area of ABC. ABC will have a side. Okay, anything you can take, but I'll take like this. ABC triangle, if I consider the bigger one, then I will take BC square divided by BD square. Let this be BD square. Yes, this is BD square. Just consider this part. This is for the BD triangle, this triangle, and if you take the full, that is for your ABC triangle. ABC triangle. So you can take this much enough. Okay. Now can I write this BC? BC as, can I write this BC as 2 times BD square? Because it is double, right? From here to here and from here to here. It is same anyway. Because they say D is the midpoint. Where is that? Where is that? D is midpoint of BC. What do we mean by midpoint? Midpoint means this D is going to break this side and this side equally. That means these two are same sides. So I will write 2BD square and here I will write BD square. Can I cancel BD square, BD square? Yes. What is this now? 2 by 1. Then what is the ratio? 2 is to 1. That's all. Any doubt in this question? Wait. Area is asked, so this is whole square actually. 2BD whole square, that means this will be 4. 4 is to 1 is the right answer. 4 is to 1. BC is equal to 2 times BD. Okay. BC square means you need to write 2BD inside the bracket and whole square, which will give you 4BD square. Therefore here it is 4BD square divided by BD square. You will cancel this, then you will remain with 4 by 1, which is 4 is to 1. Who sent this? Is there anyone? Is student present in this class? Lahari, it seems. Amruta sent this question to me. So you are there, Amruta? Is it clear? Sir, how to solve? Okay, Jivita will take that. Okay. So Amruta, if you are there, this is for you. What is that question, Jivita? Sir, how to solve? X plus 1 by x minus 1 plus x minus 2 by x plus 2 equal to 4 ಏನಮ್ಮ ಇದು 4 minus 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. Is it correct, or it is 4 minus 2x plus 3 by x minus 2? Which one is correct? Down or up? I think down. I think this only it is, this one. Okay, so here x plus 1 by x minus 1 plus x minus 2 by x plus 2. What? Yes ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, which one is upper one or I think lower one only? This only is right. Second one. Okay. So this is from quadratic equation, I think. So very simple. First what you do, this is not in standard form. So see, here you have plus, and you can consider this as a fraction and this as fraction. So you cross these first. So when you cross this, you will get x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus this side will get x minus 2 into x minus 1, and whole divided by, you will get x minus 1 into x plus 2. You will get like this, equal to this side also you can just take it as 1 and cross all this. 4 into x minus 2, then minus 1 into 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. Okay, this step. After this what you can do, x minus 2, here you have, right, you can now, okay, you can simplify these things and then again go for crossing once again, or right side we will see what will happen. Here I will multiply by 4 and this will be 8, then minus 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 2. Then I will get here 4x minus 2x will become 2x, then minus 8 minus 3 will become minus 11, then x minus 2. So right side I have this much, left side I will just multiply this. What will happen, x square 2x x, then 2, these two brackets I multiplied, plus I will multiply these two brackets, x square minus x minus 2x plus 2. I multiplied these two brackets, whole divided by, I will multiply this bracket also, x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. So like this you can simplify all these things. What will happen here now, let's see the numerator part. X square 2x square, I'm not cancelling it, don't think I'm cancelling. 2x square, then 2x 1x 3x, this things will get cancelled simply. 2x square, and here I have plus 2 plus 2, 2x square plus 4 divided by, here what will happen, x square plus x minus 2. Okay, now you have these two terms ready. Again you need to go for a crossing once again. After doing this much, you need to cross these two again. So how will you cross this? This is plus, okay. So this time you have equal sign in between, you just need to do left and right, no bottom. I have told you many times, right, if there is a plus or minus in between, then left, right, bottom. If there is equal sign, something like this, then only left, right. So we are going to do left, right part now. I will remove all this. Till here I think everything is fine. Okay, let me cross now. 2x square plus 4 into x minus 2. See, these two will get crossed, these two, and these two will get crossed simply, equal to 2x minus 11 into x square plus x minus 2. Now again multiply this. You will get 2x cube minus 4x square plus 4x then minus 4x square. Okay, here also will multiply 2x cube plus 2x square minus 4x, then from 11 we will have to multiply. From 11 I should multiply next. 11 alwa, so minus 11x square minus 11x plus 22. Why plus 22? Minus 11 minus 2 multiplied. Okay, so 2x cube first remove them because cubic equation not at all entertained. Then here I have two 4x squares, right? So minus 8x square plus 4x equal to whatever we have here, 2x square minus 11x square minus 9x square minus 4x minus 11x minus 15x, then plus 22. Shift all these numbers this side, so you have minus 8x square plus 4x plus 9x square plus 15x minus 22 equal to 0. Now look at this, minus 8 plus 9 means 1. 9 minus 8 it is like x square. Okay, then 4x 15x 19x, and I have minus 22. Now you are ready with standard form of quadratic equation. From here you can do it using formula and get the factors. Practice formula method more because you will get a question on formula method definitely. So every quadratic equation practice using formula method. Is it okay? Will you use formula method and do it, Jivita? So that simplification part was huge here, right? Okay, we'll wind up here and we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, if you have any question like while practicing and all, suppose if you have doubts in any question or if you are not getting answer for any question, you can directly message it to me. I will take those questions in the session, okay, along with the question paper questions. Got it? Okay, so now this question, to do such questions, Jivita, you need to have little patience. You should have patience to solve. Suppose if you see such questions in the exam, like in the question paper, I I suggest you keep them take them in the beginning, since you will be fresh, or if you are not confident in taking in the beginning, keep them last half an hour, last 30 minutes, keep such questions. And this 30 minutes you should have only very tedious questions like 2 or 3, means each question you should be able to give 10 minutes peacefully, because while doing all this you may go wrong anywhere. Suppose if you go wrong, then again like those 5-6 minutes are gone, right? So like that you have to plan. Whichever panicking you, means whichever question panics you, take it in the beginning only, or if you think that your confidence may go low and you may not perform well with other easy questions, keep them at the end. Okay, so finish all paper, then take these and take with courage and confidence. Don't worry, answer will come. Only it is that fear which you need to overcome and take up the question. Okay, bye bye, take care all of you. Thank you so much for being here. We'll meet tomorrow. Take care. And inform others also. Okay, let them start attending again. Anyone, any problem, anything, if you have, you can message me directly. Good night, everyone.